So in your computer keyboard, we know that this is the number lock key. You must press this number lock key. Now you can see that the number lock have been enabled here. The next step is you must okay, before that you can try either opening the Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. You can check this. After that you can simply press one of your finger in this Alt key. You did not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, this version here you must type 8736. After tapping that, you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that, you can see that the symbol, angle symbol, have been arrived in your computer. So this is the method of creating the keyboard symbol using Alt code. So if you want an angle symbol, you can simply follow this keyboard shortcut. That is the shortcut for creating this symbol in your Windows computer is Alt 8736. For more video updates like this, you can subscribe our channel Engineers Well Online. Thank you.